How to fix lag in AudioMass editing. First of all, check your internet connection because AudioMass is a web-based audio editor and a slow or unstable connection can cause lag during editing. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version as outdated browsers can also affect performance. Next, close any unnecessary tabs or applications running in the background to free up system resources. AudioMass relies heavily on your computer's CPU and RAM, so having fewer tasks running can improve responsiveness. Then, reduce the size of your audio file before importing it into AudioMass if possible. Large files take more processing power, which can lead to lag. After that, try clearing your browser cache and cookies, as the accumulated data can slow down web apps like AudioMass. Simply go to your browser settings and clear browsing data. If you still experience lag, consider using a different browser that may handle web audio processing better, such as Google Chrome or Firefox. Finally, once you finish editing, remember to export your audio by clicking on File, then selecting Export or Download to save your project without delays. And that's it. Now you know how to fix lag in AudioMass editing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.